Our new patient, Wild Strawberry. That's your nickname.
At least it's not Daryl Strawberry. I guess I'm sorry.
Well, what's wrong with Daryl Strawberry? Oh, it's already taken, right? It's not a nickname.
Yeah.
All right, you're a new patient. You're a new patient. Welcome to our clinic. You came here because you have these things under your arm. We counted 11 of these. You have them in some other places, but we're going to work at the axilla or the armpit first, right? And you actually had some over here that you worked on yourself. Okay, folks. Just come on into your doctor. We can help you with this stuff.
Don't do this at home.
Don't do this to yourself, right? Keep your arm up there. We've got these all circled that we're going to do. We're going to use liquid nitrogen minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know it was that cold?
No.
I saw that look of surprise on your face. All right. So we're going to freeze all of these twice. We're just going to video freezing them once.
Okay.
So we're going to freeze them, and what they'll do is they'll get kind of red and irritated. They'll swell up a little bit for a few days, then they'll dry up and fall off. Right? Okay. And it takes a few weeks. They'll heal up. They'll be fine. And then you can come back in and we can work on other places. You've got some other spots we're going to work on next time. Right?
Yep.
You with me?
Yes.
Why'd you come to our clinic and why didn't you have your old clinic do this?
They didn't have an opening and my cousin switched to this.
Well, we're glad to have you. With a name like Wild Strawberry.
Yeah.
You know. All right. You ready? It's going to be cold. One.
Ooh, it's turning white.
2. 3. This is a little bigger one. The larger ones, you have to be sure you get the base of the stalk. Oh, you're doing good, my man. Let me switch sides now. Was it as cold as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Oh no!
We used it all up.
I tried to put.
You put enough in. Well, maybe not. Okay. Obviously, we're running low on liquid nitrogen right now. No, we have enough to do this the first time. All right, and we'll get some more for the second round. Okay, so we're going to do them all twice. This is the first time we're going to wait a few minutes for them to thaw. Okay. So we want 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles, okay? And then I'll be back in and we'll do the next round. All right, don't go.
I took my Meta 7.
Okay, tell us your experience with Meta 7.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
That's fantastic. So you really noticed a surge?
Without a doubt.
How long did you have to take it before you noticed a difference?
Probably a week to 2 weeks. I was really feeling the difference in my day.
Right. Yeah, it took me about 13 days before I noticed it too. Awesome. Well, we appreciate you letting everybody know. Thanks.